Happening today, the suspect in the apparent assassination attempt on President Trump at the golf course just 8 days ago. He'll be in a Florida courtroom in just a few hours. Ryan Routh is currently facing 2 federal gun charges. Federal investigators are scouring his electronics, any other device, hoping to bring more serious charges against him. They're looking at a whole lot of evidence right now. Nick Smith is following the latest for us. Nick, are investigators getting anywhere in their case against him?
Marky, good morning. Yes, they are. We want to learn so much more about this man, right? But they are working slowly and meticulously. Right now, Routh is not cooperating with police or the FBI, but their investigation continues. Prosecutors and investigators believe his intent was to kill President Trump, but proving that Routh was a would-be assassin may be tough to prove. The former president wasn't in the line of sight, and no shots were fired. So prosecutors are combing through every piece of evidence in hopes of trying to prove Routh's alleged intentions and motive were indeed to kill Mr. Trump. They will make that argument today in the detention hearing that Routh should stay in jail in the days leading up to his trial. We know this, that the 58-year-old is a self-styled mercenary with a long criminal record and also a large online footprint where he talks openly about violent plans and dangerous ideas to jump into world conflicts like the war in Ukraine. The 58-year-old has openly talked about killing world leaders, assassinating former President Donald Trump, and self-published a book marking in 2023 urging Iran to kill Mr. Trump.
Yeah, so many people are saying, where was he on the radar? Were federal law agencies aware of Ryan Routh as a possible threat before they arrested him, Nick?
Mark, you were learning that, yes, they were. Here's the deal. There are some reports over the weekend that say he was brought to the attention of the FBI along with the State Department and other federal government agencies, possibly 4 different times, Marky, in 2019, 2022, and as recently as 2023 in an interview with Routh himself with Customs and Border Patrol, prompting a referral to Homeland Security investigations to look into him also. This has some people raising the question, did authorities drop the ball looking into these previous reports about Routh?
Yeah.
So that's the trouble they have right now, Marky, trying to piece it all together.
Yeah, and I definitely want that question answered. Millions of Americans do. So, Nick, what happens next after today's detention hearing?
Yeah, Marky, this is the moment of truth right here. Investigators will continue to look for more evidence to back up their case, right? And then prosecutor Adam McMichael and Routh's public defender, Christy Militello, are back in court for a probable cause and arraignment scheduled for September 30th.
All right, Nick Smith, thanks for keeping us updated there. We'll follow it closely. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.